Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Teach Marky. For this video, I'm going to show you the answers in your activity sheet which is about chemical change. Let us now begin. Question number 1. Which of the following is true about chemical change? The correct answer is chemical change forms a new substance. Question number 2. What sign or indication will tell you that a banana undergoes chemical change? The correct answer is change of color. Question number 3. Which of the following is one of the similarities of physical and chemical change? The correct answer is internal combustion or involvement of heat. Question number 4. When water undergoes electrolysis process, what kind of change will you see? The correct answer is chemical change. Question number 5. Why do you need to learn about physical and chemical change in matter? The correct answer is physical and chemical changes in matter help us understand the different processes that matter undergoes which could affect our daily life. Question number 6. Study the process of the photosynthesis below. What can you conclude about this process in terms of chemical change? The correct answer is photosynthesis is an example of chemical change because there are new substances formed after the chemical reaction takes place. Question number 7. Fermentation of milk is an example of chemical change. What sign or indication will tell you that it really undergoes chemical change process? The correct answer is formation of some solid materials. Question number 8. When you mix vinegar and baking soda, it produces bubbles or gases, which indicate that chemical change takes place. What do you call that gas it forms? The correct answer is carbon dioxide. Question number 9. Which of the following is an example of physical change? The correct answer is letter C, cutting of papers. Question number 10. What happens to the chemical bonds of a certain substance when it undergoes chemical change? The correct answer is it breaks. Question number 11. Look at the image below. What sign or indication will tell you that fireworks undergo chemical change? The correct answer is release of energy. Question number 12. It is the term used to describe the original substances during the chemical reaction. The correct answer is reactant. Question number 13. Which of the following substances is the best example to show both the physical and chemical change? The correct answer is melting of a candle wax. Question number 14. Look at the image below. What is the product in the chemical equation? The correct answer is H2NO2. Question number 15. Which of the following undergoes chemical change? The correct answer is decomposition of a dead body. Finally, this ends this video presentation. If your score is 9 or above, congratulations. If your score is 8 or below, it means that you have to watch the video lesson about chemical change and look for those correct answers of your missed questions. Thank you for listening.